Welcome to my channel, my friend. Today, I am going to share something absolutely exciting and completely new. Yes, totally fresh and never seen before. I know many of you get bored watching the same type of videos every single day. That is exactly why today's video is going to be different. New style, new concept, and a brand new AI tool that I am 100% sure you have never used before. This is about the Motu Patlu niche, which is currently going viral all over the internet. And I know exactly why, because in almost every home, children love to watch this kind of cartoon. And between you and me, I also love watching it. Ha ha ha, yes, you heard me right, my bro. Motu Patlu style videos are the kind that bring a smile to everyone's face, young or old. People love to watch them, share them, and even try making them themselves. Now, here's the exciting part. Today, I am going to show you, step by step, how you can create these kinds of animated videos completely free using a brand new AI tool. This is not just any tool. It is powerful, simple, and makes the whole animation process super easy. And the best part? You do not need any complicated editing skills. As always, I must remind you, ChatGPT is your best friend when it comes to creating animated videos. All you have to do is write a simple request, and ChatGPT will generate multiple creative prompt ideas in different styles for you. I take those prompts, copy them into my WordPad, and then feed them into the AI tool to bring my characters to life in full color and motion. So, stick with me till the end, because in just a few minutes, you will know exactly how to turn your idea into a professional-looking animated video. By the end of this tutorial, you will be ready to create your own viral Motu Patlu style videos that people will watch again and again. Let's get started. All right, my friends, now let's dive straight into the software that is taking the internet by storm, CapCut Pro. Yes, I know, almost everyone has heard of CapCut, and many of you may have used it before. But today, I am going to show you something completely different. This is not the old CapCut you knew. This is the new CapCut Pro update with absolutely insane AI features that will blow your mind. The moment I saw this new update, I knew I had to share it with you guys. Why? Because this one update gives you so many tools in one place that you will not even think about going to any other app. As you can see in my video right now, there are multiple AI-powered options, from AI video to text-to-speech, and a bunch of other advanced features that are just waiting to be explored. So let's start with the most exciting part, AI video. Once you click on it, you will see two game-changing options. Text-to-video, turn your words into full videos. Image-to-video, bring your pictures to life in seconds. First, let's try text-to-video. Here's how simple it is. I copy my prompt, paste it into the box, and that's literally it. If you want, you can tweak the duration, change the ratio, or select a different model. But honestly, I was already happy with the default settings. So, I just hit generate. Now here's the crazy part. In less than 40 seconds, my video was ready. And when I saw the result, my reaction was just one word. Boom! Yes, my friends, it was a total boom moment. The visuals were crystal clear, the style was cinematic, and the quality was already in full HD without me editing a single thing. I thought, okay, maybe I just got lucky. So I tried again. Same prompt, same settings. And guess what? Another boom! Every single video was turning out absolutely perfect. Smooth animations, rich colors, and sharp details. Honestly, this is the kind of result that makes you wonder, why would I spend hours editing in other expensive apps when I can do this in under a minute right here? Next, let's move to image to video. I uploaded a simple picture, did not touch any settings, and clicked generate. Within seconds, boom again. The image transformed into a fully animated, realistic video with beautiful movements and effects. I tested it with another image and it delivered again. Full HD, professional quality, and ready to share. But that's not all. The new CapCut Pro also has an AI image generator built in. I played around with it, and the pictures it creates are so detailed and realistic that they could pass for professional digital artwork. Whether you want cute characters, stunning backgrounds, or even fantasy worlds, this AI image tool can do it all. And now for my favorite feature, text-to-speech. We all know that every AI video feels incomplete without a voice. CapCut understands this and gives you an incredible variety of AI voices. Whether you want a deep professional voice, a friendly conversational style, or even different accents, you can create it instantly. The voices sound so real that people might not even realize they're AI generated. So here's the bottom line. This CapCut Pro update is a complete game changer. You can create professional quality videos, animations, images, and voiceovers all in one place without switching between 10 different apps. And the speed is unmatched. No hours of editing, no complicated settings, just click, generate, and boom, your masterpiece is ready. I highly recommend you try this right now. If you have the Pro version, you can unlock the full power of these features and start creating the kind of content that grabs attention and goes viral. Alright my friends, that's all for today's video. I hope this tutorial inspires you to experiment with these tools and create something amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.